Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade Forex using interactive brokers. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to set up your account, navigate the platform, and execute your first Forex trade. First, you'll need to create an account with interactive brokers. Visit their website and complete the registration process. Make sure to choose a trading account that suits your needs. After that, you will need to fund your account. Be sure to check the funding options available, whether it's through a bank transfer, wire transfer, or other methods. Once your account is funded, you can log into the trading platform. Next, familiarize yourself with the interactive broker's trading interface. Open the Trader Workstation, which is the primary trading platform. You can customize your workspace according to your preferences. Look for the Forex trading section and access the currency pairs available for trading. Take note of the different tools and resources available to analyze market trends and make informed decisions. Finally, when you are ready to place a trade, select the currency pair you want to trade. Enter the amount you wish to buy or sell, set your order type, and review your trade parameters. Once you are satisfied with your setup, click the Submit button to execute your order. After your trade is live, monitor your position and make adjustments as necessary. With practice, you'll become more comfortable with trading Forex on interactive brokers.